Hello, everybody. Welcome to Reiko AC Box Breaks for 2013-2014 Panini Playbook Box Break number 81. Here's the last team up for auction. There's Edmonton. So in the box is any 190-575-482. That's any 190-575-482. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Start off with the limited edition jersey cards, 70 out of 99 of Lars Eller. The book last. Got a base card for the Canadians of Max Pacioretty, 184 to 249. And then we got a big hit here, first round edition booklet of Nathan MacKinnon. Jersey and auto, nice hit, Nathan MacKinnon. First round edition booklet and auto, nice hit for the Avalanche. And thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.